Hi, I'm your County Commissioner, Amber Waldref. Happy New Year! I thought I'd take this opportunity to highlight some of my key accomplishments from the past year and look forward to what's in store for 2026. 2025 was a very challenging year, to say the least. From state and local budget deficits to federal policy changes and pushbacks, most of my time was spent fighting to stop changes that could hurt local people's access to healthcare, food, and public safety. But I still had some key accomplishments that I'm very proud of. One, adopting a county budget that eliminated a $20 million projected deficit without an increase in property taxes. As chair of the Spokane Regional Health Board, I helped navigate changes to the board, including integrating new tribal representatives, creating the first federal legislative agenda, and increasing hours and access for patients at the opioid treatment clinic. I fought back against changes to Medicaid, and I'm still advocating to protect public health and substance treatment funding at the local, state, and federal levels. Addressing the opioid crisis here in Spokane was one of my priorities, and I helped secure $3 million from the state to expand our county PATH Recovery Center, which will provide more sobering beds. I also worked with Senator Murray and Cantwell on funding for this project. I helped plan a summit with Gabriel's Challenge and other community leaders to solve for gaps in our mental health and substance treatment system for youth. And we finally reached an interlocal agreement that ensures a smooth transition for the city of Spokane and SHREC to each provide 911 services. In terms of environmental help, I helped secure $7.5 million for water filtration systems to help residents on the West Plains impacted by PFAS contamination. And I was greatly involved in the Aquifer Protection Area ballot measure, which was renewed by voters to help protect our drinking water for 20 more years. After 2.5 years of working on a regional homeless plan, there was a new agreement signed between the City of Spokane Valley, the City of Spokane, and Spokane County that commits all of these communities to sharing data and outcomes, collaborating on inclement weather centers, and aligning funding so we don't duplicate our efforts. I continue to be very involved in the growth plan update, which is due to be completed in 2026, and engage with many community members like you to ensure that we have a good plan for our future, especially around climate change and affordable housing. So key goals for 2026, housing, safety, and health. I plan to double my efforts to develop and implement policies that will help our community build more affordable housing. The momentum is strong at the state and local level, and I'm hopeful we can work together as a region to accomplish more. And I didn't mention the Safe and Healthy Task Force. This is a community effort to identify priorities for a future ballot measure that could improve the outcomes in our criminal justice and mental health systems. So stay tuned for how you can be involved this year. And I'll keep fighting to protect vital funding for public health and treatment through advocacy at the state and federal levels this year. Read my newsletter to link to my full list of accomplishments and goals, as well as other updates. And yes, I've joined the world of Instagram, so follow me, and I'll see you next month.